everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change your avatar in Merge Gardens. To change your avatar in Merge Garden is super easy. First of all, launch open the Merge Garden application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded pop-up, click on Friends. Under Friends, you will see Edit Profile section, tap on that, and then under Select Portrait, choose a different profile picture or avatar you want to use for your player. Now click on Save, and you will then be able to change your avatar in Merge Gardens. Return to your main home screen and now start playing the game. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.